Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In one of my previous videos, we discussed about the trainer fleets which are available with Indian Air Force. And to list them real quick, the aircrafts under this category are the Pilatus PC-7, the HAL Kiran, the BAE Systems Hawk, and HAL's HTT-40. In this video, we would be discussing the news which is prevailing with defense sources regarding the replacement of the intermediate jet trainer HAL Kiran. Yes, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited on Monday, which is November 23, 2020, announced that it has kicked off a crucial development test for a jet trainer that has been planned to replace the Indian Air Force aging Kiran aircraft fleet. The intermediate jet trainer which is being tested is the HAL Sitara, or it is also known as HJT-36. The crucial test which is being spoken is the spin test, which is very vital for any trainer aircraft. The spin testing of an aircraft is the most crucial phase of its flight testing. The testing will be gradually progressed to assess the behavior of the aircraft till 6 turn spins to either side to meet the targeted requirement. This integrated jet trainer has already been tested to its full envelope in terms of speed, altitude and load factor. These trainer aircraft has also been integrated with drop tanks as well as bombs. One more vital thing to mention here is the redesigning done by HAL. This new aircraft has been redesigned by moving the vertical tail aft and extending the rudder surface. And post modification, the two aircraft underwent significant flight tests to assess the general handling with the new configuration of fin and rudder. According to the sources close to HAL, these changes for ensuring a satisfactory spin behavior required an extensive redesign of the rear fuselage and the rudder. Not just that, these aircraft have now been incorporated with necessary safety devices as well. In addition to this, we also saw in one of my previous videos that Indian Air Force has got approval to induct 106 basic trainer aircrafts into their fleet, and the model is the same HTT-40 from HAL. The HTT-40 is built by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, and it is said to be filling the gap of retired HPT-32 Deepak trainers. With these successful spin testing, the image and the credibility of HAL gets a boost and also proves that the company is capable of designing a fixed wing and spin-worthy aircraft. So that was a quick update on the replacement plan of HAL Kiran with the intermediate jet trainer HAL-Sitara or HJT-36. We also saw a quick recap regarding the spin test of HTT-40 and the approval of 106 aircrafts for Indian Air Force. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.